the ends, the end points. And bring a button with you so they know what size to make it, all right? But that's enough for them to work, okay? The buttonholes are marked. You can see the end points, end, end. Some are easier to see than others, but, okay? And that's it. And you take it to them and they'll make those buttonholes for you, all right? That's probably good. Yeah. Okay, now you still have a cuff, all right? The cuff. Okay, so the cuff, the part with the pleats is the front. So the front goes over the back. Front goes over the back, okay? Usually for this buttonhole, it gets centered in the cuff width. Just fold the bottom of the cuff to match the seam of the cuff. Fold the bottom of the cuff to match the seam of the cuff, right? Just fold it in half. It usually goes parallel to the bottom edge, okay? So I have that crease line. The rule is, general rule is, if you have a regular 2-hole, 4-hole button, let's say I've got a 24 line, that's 5/8. Subtract 1/8 from the diameter, so that would be 5/8 minus 1/8 equals half. That's the start point from the end, okay? 1/8 less than the size of the button, okay? That's the start point. So over here, if I have a 5/8 button, my start point would be 1/2 inch from the end, and it would be centered that way, okay? The length of the buttonhole is usually 1/8 bigger than the button. So a 5/8 button, 24 line, needs a 3/4 buttonhole, okay? So mark that. So I'm assuming that's my size. That's all they need. You know it's here. You give them that line too. You can give it, you know, a chalk line, but you know, you can show them I want it in the middle, and they can get the mark. All right? And that's all you need. All right? Each cuff, the part with pleats is the part that gets the buttonhole. The flat part gets the button. Okay?
Sorry, can you say the size of that bottom one again?
Sure. 1/8 bigger than the button diameter.
Okay.
So if you've got a 1-inch button, you need a 1 1/8 buttonhole, usually. If you have a big domed button, that's a different story. But general rule, 1/8 bigger than the size. All right? All right? Everybody good? Start point on a cuff is 1/8 less than the button size. All right? And then the buttonhole is 1/8 bigger. All right? Good? Good to go? Remember the shoulder tack? And basically, I've got a really good video on button sewing on Blackboard. So watch it, all right? That would be good. I'm going to get my skirt ready. I want you to get at least the thread tracing prepared and hopefully the fusible done so that we're ready to go. You got to have your zipper, invisible zipper, and invisible zipper foot, all right? And then I put the other components that maybe you forgot that you might need. Okay? Everybody good? Yeah, I'm sure. Yep. Let's just see what it looks like. That's a good idea.
Here, I pass through.
Okay. So, yeah, just for everybody, invisible zipper foot has like nostrils, right? If you look at it, looks like a nose. That's what you need. Okay? And I've got an invisible zipper in my thing.